One of the things that I hear all too often, and it really just confuses me as to why people just do this, is the fact that they look at digital marketing as something siloed, something, unique upon itself, that it has to like live and breathe over here. And then, their advertising and their marketing is over here, right? It's not the way it should be. When you break it down, digital marketing is just doing marketing using digital means. You've got your Facebook page, your YouTube channel, you're doing a podcast, you've got your website, right? They're digital methods. Just like it would have been years ago when you were doing newspaper ads, except now maybe you're probably doing Facebook ads, or you were on the radio and or doing TV commercials. Now you've got podcasts, you've got YouTube. It's essentially the exact same thing with the twist of it using a digital method. So don't fall victim to looking at this as, hey, I need to go do digital marketing now. You need to be marketing as a whole, and that's the important part. Don't drop everything else that you do and focus like fully on digital marketing. Incorporate that into your business and what you do. And by that, if you're not doing anything digitally right now, pick one method to try it out and become comfortable with it before you take on something else. A lot of times, businesses will start to take on digital methods and then they take on all that they can at once. And really, you're just setting yourself up for failure because you don't know those platforms. You don't know what's going to resonate. You don't know what's going to work. And now you've got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Who knows how many that you're signing up for because you think more is better. And in reality, it's not. I would much rather you be able to figure out one platform and take what you've learned, the content, how it resonates with people, how they engage with you, what gets them to come to your website, what gets them to come to your place of business, what makes your phone ring when you post, let's say on Facebook. Now you can take those learnings and launch Instagram and then, get to know that better. And then maybe you want to get into doing YouTube videos. Again, take what's resonating on those other platforms that have worked quite well for you and now implement that into YouTube video and content. So, just to recap here, digital marketing is not a solo isolated object. It needs to be part of your business as a whole. Keep telling yourself, I am marketing, not I am digital marketing. We've just leveraged a digital channel into our marketing efforts.